everyone. Hope everyone are doing great. In today's video, we will see one of the AWS managed service, which we call it as Amazon OpenSearch. Amazon OpenSearch is a fully managed service by AWS. It is derived from the Elasticsearch and Kibana dashboard. It is having a similar capabilities like full text search capabilities like Elasticsearch. Okay, domain and as well as application performance monitoring we can use, and we can use it for any security threat detection like threat detection or any compliance auditing also we can use for the Amazon OpenSearch. Okay, the key difference between Amazon OpenSearch and Elasticsearch are it is a fully AWS managed service, and it can easily integrate with the security services like IAM and Amazon VPC, and it is highly available since it is a managed service, and it is highly scalable as well based on the volume of the load data it can handle. Okay. Without further delay, we will see how to create a custom domain in the Amazon OpenSearch. Okay. With Amazon OpenSearch, how to create a custom domain. Okay, in AWS console, just search on Amazon OpenSearch. Okay, and then go to domains and create a domain over here. Okay, just enter domain name. Okay, I'm giving the domain name as a travel. Okay, you can two types of create. Okay, for debugging and testing purpose, a domain with standby. I don't want domain without standby, and I can have a one availability zone. That's fine. And 2.13 is the latest one. I don't want instant type. The large one and small is enough for me. Okay, it's a memory update, right? For general purpose, just click it. Instant type small search. Okay, number of nodes you can make it into one. Dedicated master node, custom endpoint, just make it to a public access. Okay, I already given the username password. These are the different types of authentication purposes. You can enable SM, SAML or Cognito, either one is fine. Okay, with respect to find the access control. Okay, key that won't say that is managed for you. And no need to change, keep it as a default settings. And just review whatever you have selected. Okay, this is fine. So network is a VPC access, dual stack, admin. Here, with respect to network, I can make it to public access, right? Okay, that's fine. Okay, just click on create. It will create a custom domain. It will take 10 to 15 minutes. Once the domain created, we will see on how to search on the dashboard everything. Yeah. Hello everyone. To recap what we had done, we have just created a domain in OpenSearch. Okay, the domain we created is similar to Devon production environment. These are the configurations we have done. The availability zone is one available zone. The instance types we have created is T3 small search, and number of nodes is 1, and storage type EBS. And we had created with the small instance, so we have EBS volume type is a general purpose volume type, and we have reduced the EBS volume size from 100 gigabytes to 10 gigabytes. Okay, and we have made it as a public access instead of VPC1, and this is a dual stack mode. Okay, these are the simple configurations we have done with respect to a cluster. Once this has been moved from creating to active, we can open the OpenSearch dashboard. This is nothing but the Kibana dashboard. If you just click on this, it will open in a separate browser tab. where we need to log in with our master username and password. Okay, we need to log in with our master username and password. I created master username and password while creating the cluster. Same can be placed here, and just click on login. Okay, can add the sample data. Just click on add sample data. Okay, they by default they given some e-commerce sample data, flight data, weblogs data. We can add flight data and we'll check now installed. Okay, now just click on view data. It is loaded with the flight data, flight airline carrier and average ticket price and the total number of flights, average ticket price and flight delays and cancellation and the delay buckets, delay type and origin and destination countries. Okay, here they given the flight log as well and the destination weather. Okay, now we will filter out the data. Okay, select the origin country. Okay, we have one flight from Abu Dhabi to Barcelona. Okay, and it's the airways. Okay, Logstash Airways. Flight delays they mentioned as a false, and this is the average ticket price. Okay, flight cancellations, and there will be weather is cloudy. Okay, this log we got Abu Dhabi to Barcelona. Okay, the average ticket price is $81. Okay, $891. Okay. Now what we can do is I will copy this request. Okay, we'll just click on inspect. Okay, then view the request. Okay, because in backend both Elasticsearch and OpenSearch uses the domain specific language DSL. Okay, we'll copy this request and we'll try to manually hit that REST API call and we'll see what happens. Okay, I just copied the data. Going to overview. Interact with the OpenSearch API. Basically, this is a search call. Okay, we are not posting anything. We are retrieving the data from the uploaded JSON file. Okay, just hitting on the console. Okay, we will get one value based on the criteria which we have matched from Abu Dhabi to Barcelona. Right. This how it is manually searching the data in the back end. Okay, the same thing we can there are numerous number of this here if you go to discover here where is the data sources are available. Okay, you can here also you can manually search. Okay, I will be adding the filter. Okay, basically we will be adding the origination city and destination city. Okay, um, origination city name, right? Okay, it's basically a DSL language. We are basically editing the query. Okay, click on save and add one more filter for the destination. which is similar to what we have filtered over the same data. We got it's having average ticket price. The destination city is Barcelona. The average city is Abu Dhabi. And this is how we need to filter the data in a DSL language. Okay, and we can also create our own visualization dashboard as well. Look, these are the different types of visualization dashboard that they have created already. You can create your own visualization dashboard as well. Well, hope this information is useful. Okay, once you are done with this exercise, you can remove the data from the dashboard and you can delete this cluster you have created. Otherwise, it will cost you some dollars. Okay, thank you.